How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a fake hickey step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you give a fake hickey? To give a fake hickey, it's super simple to do. A hickey is just a bruise. That's all it is. So take your fingers, grab a little bit of skin, and then just give a little pinch and twist. Pinch, twist, pinch, twist, pinch, twist. So go just like this. So as you can see, my neck is getting very, very red. That is good. That is a sign the hickey is starting to come. Do this for 5 minutes straight. You have to do it for 5 minutes straight. You do it for 5 minutes straight, a bruise will start to come after. That is how you give a fake hickey. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.